Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka people make stuffed saibaos on Tomb Sweeping Day. The unique thing about the Hakka saibao is that its outside is made out of sticky rice powder instead of flour, which makes it chewy. It's stuffed with fried dried shrimp, mushrooms, pork, and radish slices. Saibaos are a very traditional and delicious Hakka snack.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係練習小。And it's time to bring more food onto the air right here. Even though we have introduced this before in the past, but it's so significant in the Hakka culture, I think we should remind people about it. 有一个东西很有名，就是菜包。
啊，对，菜包。
虽然以前有谈过，但是菜包其实在客家文化里面是很重要的一个食物之一。
对，尤其是在这个扫墓的时候，清明节的时候，一定要用菜包来拜祖先。
Okay, so this is actually the Hakka bun, and it's literally written as veggie bun, but there's more than veggies inside this bun. There's also pork inside. 虽然它叫菜包，但是里面听说其实通常还是会炒点肉在里面，对不对？
一定要加点肉才会香嘛，对不对？而且里面还会有什么虾米呀、哈密啦，
a little bit of shrimp, 哈密，
香菇、香菇
，mushroom of course, 香菇，
然后猪肉就不用讲，一定有的，猪肉，还有一个就是客家人很常吃的。老皮絲
Of course, you have to have a bit of shredded radish.
老皮絲
That is what makes the Hakka bun the Hakka bun. 其实没有那个萝卜丝，就完全那个味道就不一样。
对，那味道就可能少了一点点，
就不是客家的菜包了。对。So again, it's 客家菜包菜包 okay? And now that we're done with the food, it's time to introduce another location for your enjoyment of the Tongue Flower Blossom next month. 你知道吗？我们常常介绍这些桐花步道，都是在苗栗啦、新竹啦、中立啦甚至高雄也有，但是很少介绍台中这边的。
台中这边台中这边也有啊，
也有。OK，
我介绍这个就是凤凰山步道。
It's called 凤凰山步道。
凤凰山扑头。
凤凰山。扑头，
对，
不是扑倒哦，是步道。
对。
OK， 所以这在台中附近就对了。
对，还有在彰化八卦山那边也有一个步道。
八卦山也有。OK，
八卦山
八卦山。OK， that's a very well-known spot in Zhanghua, which is next to Taichung. So if you live around the center of Taiwan, there you go. There's a place for you to enjoy the Tongue Flower Blossom next month. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.